June 2012, Core 4, Question 8, the last one, the differential equation. And nice that they split this up in two parts this time. One to test could you interpret the words, and the other bit to try and do the differential equation, including a Core 3 integral to do. Let's read the first one. It says the depth of the water tank, the rate at which the depth of the water tank increases. You need to know what that means. The rate at which a rate is a d something by d something. It's a height, and we're going with time, so it's dh by dt. And it says it's proportional to, so I'm going to write a proportional to sign, and there's more words. The difference between the height of the tank and the depth of the water. Well, the height is 2, and so the difference between 2 and the height is 2 take away the height. We got 2 marks for doing that, and we get our 3rd mark for making it an equation. An equation needs an equals in it, and what you do is you replace the proportional sign with a k, and there is our differential equation. We do not need to solve it. The second one then, we do need to solve this one here, and most people know to take to separate the variables, that one goes to one side, one goes to the other. And so the first line most people are getting, it's the integral of 15x, the square root of 2x take away 1, dx equals the integral of 1 dt. Well, that side's easy. It's t plus c. But this side here took some time to do. The examiner's report said, lovely words, it said no guidance was given, but students were split fairly evenly between attempts by parts and by substitution, with similar success or lack of it. This was difficult. I think the simplest way is to let u equal the bit in the bracket. U equals 2x take away 1. So then du by dx is equal to 2, and dx is equal to du over 2, rearranging that one there. We're also going to need to know what x is, and x is u plus 1 divided by 2. Add the 1 and divide by 2. I'm going to put all of this into this integral here. So I'm getting the integral of 15 times by the x, which is u plus 1 over 2, times by the square root of this thing here. Well, that's what we've got here, which is u to the power of a half, because it's square rooting to the power of a half. And I've got a dx as well, which is a du over 2. All of that is all in terms of u. We've got a number, 15, a 2, and a 2, so I'm going to take 15 over 4 out of my integral. I'm going to multiply this out. I've got u to the 1 times by u to the half, which is u to the 3 over 2. And I've got 1 times u to the half, which is u to the half du. Rolling down to now do our integral. Integrating that. Should we stay with red? The u goes to a new power, 5 over 2, but we've got 2/5 of it. This u goes to a 3 over 2, but we've got 2/3 of it. And we've actually got 15 over 4 of all of that, and there we've done our integral. What did it equal on the other side? It equaled t plus c. Let's see if we can find out what that c is. We were told that when x is equal to 1, t is equal to 0. These aren't in terms of x, so let's put the 1 in there. When x is equal to 1, it's just above there. Then u was equal to 2x, take away 1. That means u is equal to 1 as well. Put the 1 in here. We're getting 15 over 4 times by 2/5 plus 2/3 equals, stick the 0 in there, equals c. It works out that c is equal to 4. And now all I've got to do is write the answer. Can I extend any further? Yes, I can. We've got an answer of 15 over 4 times by 2/5 of, what was u? U was 2x take away 1, all to the 5 over 2, plus 2 over 3, 2x take away 1, all to the 3 over 2, and then take away 4 equals t. You could tidy up again by multiplying out the brackets, these two fractions, if you wanted. The very last line and the very last thing, just for 1 mark at the end, it says put in an x equals 2, stick an x equals 2 into there and there, tap it all into the calculator, and you get 32.37, and rounding it gives you 32.4 to one decimal place. You need to practice some core 4 integrals ready for these. Some core 3 integrals ready for these. There's the answer.